Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Any Trader Can Fly. This is Prince once again here. So today Bank Nifty was, I should say, really like a beast, demon. It was very volatile, and you all know the reason. Today there was RBI policy meeting which was there at 10 o'clock. During that time there were wild swings, and after that although Bank Nifty was sideways, it was completely behaving like a mad, just going up and down, and it was really boring to trade today. I really dozed off around 1 o'clock. I dozed off completely. Friday being no decay at all, completely no decay, and also no direction in the market, and it was really a boring day, and I had to make a very small loss, but it's under control. The best part is the loss is very small, very minimal, and we are closing this week in profit, and this is how week by week we just have to make sure that we are in profits. And one more thing I just want to say you, the importance of diversification. There is one strategy of mine. I follow the straddle itself, in which I keep a combined stop loss. So in such days like today, where the market is not behaving anything, not moving anywhere, just moving sideways, it gave a very good decent returns. Although there was no decay, but still I got a very 0.5% returns today. So it is very important that you diversify your strategies. Don't always stick to a single strategy. If you want, you can keep multiple accounts for different kinds of strategies. Otherwise, you can trade in the same account. Okay, so without wasting much time, let us look into today's trade and let us see how we did the adjustments for today. Okay, so let us look into the trade video. There is a little bit of issue with the quality of video which is recorded today, so kindly excuse me on that. So I'll just run you through the trade. It is very simple. Almost Bank Nifty was neutral for today. Bank Nifty opened flat almost, and then I took the neutral position, 36,600 put and 38,400 call. And if at all you ask me, although today I was knowing it was RBI policy, why did I take the position? Because previously whenever there was RBI policy, there was no much spikes, there was no volatility, and we had very good decay as well. So that is why I thought, okay, I can test the water. And the thing is, I have not entered full quantity. It's just part of my quantity only. Almost I can say 30 to 40% of the quantity only I have entered. So I thought, based on the market movement, I will take the positions, and then later I took my positions at around 11 o'clock. Okay. So let us look into the open interest Bank Nifty weekly chart. So I can see two big towers. Okay, one is at 38,000. This 38,000 is almost a round figure. So let's come to the nearby point. 37,500 and 37,600 what is what I can see. So let me mark the low point at 37,500, 37,500 being the nearby, almost the low point. I am marking my support area at this level, and then 37,600 is too near. So then what I can do is high of the day would be very far. So I'm marking the super trend, okay, not the high of the day. Yes, you can keep high of the day as well, it doesn't matter, but since super trend is one indicator which I'm following, if at all the indicator changes color, I will be able to go bullish. Okay, so this is the settings which I follow. It's very common, which almost a very simple technique, simple indicators, and yeah. So you can see as of now there is a little bit of decay happening, being Friday. There should have not been decay, but still, market is moving sideways as of now, and in terms of decay, we are having almost 10,000 rupees profit as of now, and I'll wait for this level to break. And yeah, so now friends, you can see it is 9:45 and the levels have been broken, and this has happened before the RBI event starting itself. So I was expecting this to happen after the event, but I mean after the start of the event, but before the event itself, it has started to come down our levels. So I had to do a small adjustment. So since I have extra capital with me, what I have done is I have added an extra position. So you can see now put is less and the call is higher. So I added an extra leg on the call side because market is Bank Nifty is has crossed our levels and it is going down. Now for our surprise, yes, now 10 o'clock the meeting has started, and you can see, as expected, a huge spike has come. It crossed our upper boundary as well, and you can see it reversed after that. So I had kept a stop loss of 25% on one of my leg, and the stop loss got hit. And this is expected, this is unexpected, but it happened due to the RBI policy. We can't help it, and I had to give back my profits which I made. Okay, so this is the issue which I was talking about. There was issue in the video recording for today. So let me just run through Yeah, so you can see I made from the profits I came down to losses because of the sudden spike. So presently you can see I'm bullish because Bank Nifty has reversed completely, and after that, after 5 to 10 minutes, so you can see this continue up, down, up kind of movement. This was where many would have lost money. Many straddle sellers would have lost money. So I also, so you can, it's almost like N type of movement. Okay, so after 11 o'clock, I added my enter position, and you can see because of the decay, we almost come back to neutral position. That's why I could add all my positions and fill the entire quantity. Yeah. So time again close to 11:15. You can see once again Bank Nifty is trying to cross the levels. It has crossed. There are two bars which have come down below the levels which I have marked. So then I made my positions bearish. But then Bank Nifty has always got its own way of moving, and again there was sudden spike, sudden reversal, and then after that I had to accept this loss. I came back to 31,000 loss. Okay, so you can see this reversals happening again and again. So this is one point, this is a second point. Now again the third point, Bank Nifty is reversing at this level. It is not going down completely. If it was going down completely, it would have been very nice. We were almost full negative biased. So you can see now time is around 11:40 and still Bank Nifty is getting very good support at this level. So this is why we always see the price action, price chart. It's not that we always depend upon the open interest. This kind of bounce backs always gives us clear indication as to where the big sellers are there or big buyers are there. Yeah. Okay, so then I'm just continuing my position, and you can see the loss is almost the same. There is no decay at all, no premium decay at all happening. And close to 12 o'clock, you can see that Bank Nifty has completely reversed from this lower bottom and has gone top, and my super trend also has changed. So then I had to change my bias. Okay. So this is the level from which it has bounced and it has gone up, and super trend also has changed. So now you can look into my position. From a negative bias, I have come back to a neutral bias because Bank Nifty has reversed completely. Okay. Yeah, so these are the both the legs, and almost I am neutral now, but the loss is still around 40,000. Being Friday, if it was some other day, we could have made very good decent profit at this level, because Bank Nifty is just moving sideways. Okay, it is going to touch. Okay, now friends, you can see it has touched my upper zone, but it has reversed after that. Again indicating that Bank Nifty is in no mood to break out and go. So again there is no point going bullish. I just have to maintain my neutral positions itself. So you can see we are just continuing to maintain the neutral positions, but no decay happening. It's still in the loss of around 38 to 40,000 itself, and the entire day you can see it is just moving sideways, up and down, up and down. So it once again tried to jump and go up. So that is why I have taken a slightly bullish view, but no decay happening. So this is how the entire day went on. It was just trying to move up and moving sideways, and you can see my loss is just in the same range, 30 to 40,000 range. Same thing, just continuing, and then now this time is close to 3 o'clock, and we are still in a loss of around 33,000. And see, almost it's sideways, but unfortunately there was no decay at all. We can't expect it on Fridays. Yeah. So time is 3 o'clock now, friends, and the present suggestions, I just closed my levels, and you can see it's at 24,000 loss. And what a day it was today. I should say like a beast. That's what happened today. This really spoiled my day. I was in a good profit, but it spoiled. Again there was a sudden movement at this level as well, reversal from this level, again a big what to say, a horrible performance. So boring trade today. There is no direction, no clarity on the movement of market, and no decay also, and we had to close our positions at 24,000 loss for today, but it's very minimal. It's something which we can accept. And hope you liked today's video. We had a lot of adjustments. We kept ourselves with minimum loss. And let's have a very good weekend this week, and let us look into next week. Thank you.